students, welcome back to computer class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. In last class we finished explanation part and brain developer in chapter 2, that is managing files and folders. Yes, in today's class I am giving to you lab activity on chapter 2, that is you have to do at your home. So without wasting our time, shall we go to our class? Good morning children. Now we will do lab activity in lesson 2. For that, open page number 14. First I will read all points. The first point is create a folder named MISC on the desktop of your computer. Next point, open Windows Explorer, move some files from the E drive of your computer to the MISC folder. Now select one Word file from your desktop and move it to the D drive. Then now trace that file with the help of search box. The last point, delete the file and then restore it from recycle bin. Now we will do all points one by one. Let's go to lab activity. The first point, first create a folder named with MISC on the desktop of your computer. This is the desktop now, the first screen which appears we call as desktop. Then here we create one folder. For that, right click on the blank area, then here go to new, then select the folder and we will see folder. We have to give the name of MISC, M-I-S-C. This is the first point children. Now second point, open Windows Explorer. Where is the Windows Explorer? This is the Windows Explorer. Yes, select the Windows Explorer. In that, move some files from the E drive of your computer to the MISC folder. This is the go to E folder and we will see the files. So move some files from E drive, from this drive to MISC. So how to move? Then we have to go, move means completely have to go, no, cut and close the item, MISC folder, paste it. Yes. So this is the, now we just moved the file from E drive to MISC folder. Yes. Now third point, select one Word file from your desktop and move it to D drive. We will do that. Yes. Select one Word file from your desktop. This is the desktop now. Select one Word file from your desktop and move to D drive. Again moving means go to D drive and paste here. So actually 2 times Vidyanjali there, that's why they are asking move and replace, so it will be saved. Now the fourth point, now trace the file with the help of search box, no? Yes, here type the Vidyanjali. See, it will be traced now. Yes. Then we will get the Vidyanjali Word file on D drive. Have you understand? Okay. Now the fifth point, delete the file and then restore it from recycle bin. Delete means right click and delete. They are asking, are you sure you want to move the file to recycle bin? Yes. So, it will be deleted. Then go to recycle bin. So, first close this, we will see recycle bin now. Then open the recycle bin, it contains recently deleted files. Then go to Vidyanjali, then right click on that, click restore. Then it will disappear here and it will appear at the same place where it lost. See, Vidyanjali in D drive. Understand? And this is the activity for your children lab activity. If you got any doubt in meanwhile, just do the call or message. I hope you like the video. Thank you. Have a nice day.